Hello and welcome. You can set a timer to schedule the working hours of the humidifier. Adjust the knob clockwise to turn on and set timer to select 1 hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours. Switch off mist function by selecting power. The nightlight feature gives you a soft glow light with 7 colors of choice for soothing your baby. Press the light button to turn on the nightlight when the unit is at standby mode. When the nightlight color is in auto run, press the light button to select the desired color. Press the light button again to turn off the night light. Press the clock button, then press the up or down arrow buttons to select the time format of 12 or 24 hour. Press the clock button to select the hour or the minute. Press once on the up or down arrows to adjust the hour or minute, or long press on the up or down arrows for quick access. Press the clock button to confirm the setting. Press the bell button to select the hour or minute to change. Press once on the up or down arrow button to adjust the hour or minute, or long press on the up or down arrow buttons for quick access. Press the bell button to confirm the setting. Before setting the alarm, check if the time is set in the desired clock format, 12 hours or 24 hours. To check the current alarm, simply press the bell button. If an alarm time is set, the unit will ring for about 60 seconds. Please keep the power supply connected to the humidifier and have the water tank filled with water. To cancel the alarm, press and hold the bell button for 2 seconds. Press the bell button to confirm the alarm setting. Press the music button to enter the Bluetooth pairing mode. When the Bluetooth indicator is on, you will hear a confirmation tone. Turn on Bluetooth on your smart device, enter Discovery mode, and keep it close to the humidifier. Search for available devices and select Hubble Connected Mist. Follow the instructions to complete the pairing. Play your favorite song through your device. Press the music button to stop the Bluetooth connection. If you have additional questions, please visit support.hubbleconnected.com for further assistance, FAQs, and more. Thank you for watching.